Alright, hey guys, this is your boy Lio GFX from Lio GFX Designs Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop Graphic Design Tutorial. Today we are going to be learning about a very important aspect of graphic designs. We are going to be looking at something we call gradients in Photoshop. How we use gradient in Photoshop, how we use gradient to create good design, how we use gradient to make a fine looking design. So firstly, before we go in deep into it, let me first give you some insight on what gradient is. What is gradient? Gradient consists of two or more hues or color that is flowing into or another, creating a gradient blend of color across shapes, typography, image, and more. This with what I've just said now, I'm going to give you a typical example of what I'm trying to tell you by what I mean by it being used to combine different color to make a very wonderful design. So I have some videos of images I screenshot online on gradient. I'll be showing you the examples. These ones are this is a flyer. Now you can see there are different colors here. We have yellow, here, pink, and deep blue or something like that, or pink. Now you see they are all combined together in one flyer. So this thing is achieved through gradient. You can see a wonderful design here, and we have more designs. Let me show you more. Can you see these ones? This is blue, this is yellow, this is, you see wonderful designs. They are all done with gradients tools. Okay, let me give you, this is example of flyers. Now you can also use gradients to design logos to make it look more beautiful and attractive. Let me give you examples. Can you see now? Let me give you, look at this. See this wonderful design. This is achieved through gradient colors. You can see blue, they are all combined using gradients. And we have more. This another logo. Look at this logo. Wow, look at this logo. Now it is done with gradient colors. It is achieved rather with gradient. Wow, see this? They are all gradients. They are all done and achieved using gradients. So this is what we are going to be learning today. We are going to be knowing all about this tool in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So alright, now before we start now, so we are going to start with creating a new document. We are going to create a new document. Now we are going to be working on. I'll be showing you all about the gradients. Let's just make it any, can just make it 1800 by 1800. This is it now. Or let's make it 1800 by 920. Okay, let's make it this. All right, let me import an image into it so we can work on it. Let me look for a very wonderful image here. Look for a wonderful image. Okay, sorry. So you're looking for an image. Okay, yeah, this is, let's try and use this one. All this, okay, let's use this. Yeah, see this. I don't know what's going on. Okay, expand it, expand the image. Okay, expand the image. That we have expanded it. Now, all right, after this has been done, now we are going to start with a tool, call it the gradient tool. We have the gradient tool. This is the gradient tool here. This is it. You click on it. We have the shortcut for the gradient tool is G. Just press G. Can you see it? So G, press, now I press G. Sorry. Okay, press G. See now, this is a gradient tool. Alright, click on G. You press Ctrl G on your keyboard, or you click on this and hold it until this drop out comes out. Then you click on the gradient tool. You see, and if you want it to be, if you want to, so you draw a line this way. You see, it will form a gradient. Can you see now? That's formed a gradient already. This is a gradient. So the reason why the black is coming out this way is because here the gradient tool has to do with a drop down menu here. This here, we have the basic. This is the basic of it. We have the basic one. This is the gradient picker. We call it the gradient picker. This is the first one, the basic one. This one, this, when you click on this this particular one, it functions with the color here. This color here, your foreground color and the background color here. When you change this foreground color here, then it affects the type of gradient you are going to see here. See, can you see? You see, I've changed it now. You see now, that's changed. When I pick this one, can you see? That's changed again. See. Let me now press Ctrl Z to go back to our previous here. See, this is our previous one. When I click on this and I drag it, you see, it covered the whole page. But when I click on this other one, when I click on this other one, sorry, okay, when I click on this one, you see that it has a transparent background. That's a transparent background. Can you see? Okay, so there's still something I need you to know. There's something I have to show you first. Okay. There's something I would like to show you about this particular drop down menu, that is the color picker, the gradient picker rather. It always has to, especially this basic one, it always has to do with the foreground color and the background color here, which is here. When you change this color, whatever the color is what determines what will show here. Can you see now that we have red here? See red, we have black here, and you can see black. So for example, if I should change this color now and make it white, and make it white, so let me press Ctrl Z and change it back to the normal state. Okay, you see now when I click on this gradient tool, when I drag it, you will see the color that will bring out white and blue and the black background that you can see here. You can see. Let me change it very well and make it black. Alright, you see, let me drag it again. You see it now, it's black and white. So this thing, this color picker, it determines what will happen here. If I should change it, this one again, and make it this transparent one. Now let me press Ctrl Z and go back to the main option again. Now this transparent one also, it has to do with only the foreground. Now when I click on this transparent and this gradient tool again, I click on this gradient tool again. Okay, you see now it will come with only white and transparent one. Can you see? Because there is white here. So there is other basic one also, which is this one. This one is the opposite of this first. Is the opposite of this first color gradient picker. Instead of being white to black, but this one will be black to white. Now here now we have white and black. Instead of it being white and black, now it will be in the opposite direction. That's it. It will be in the reverse way. Let's see now. Can you see? You see now? It will be in the reverse version of that first basic gradient. So that's all about that. So the next one is I'm going to teach you now on how to load more gradients. If you want to load more gradients, just go to this place. You can see new gradient preset. You can see them. See, I have more gradients here. See them. That's it. See them. They have different kind of gradients, and there's a way also that you can even create your own gradient, but that's one will be for another episode of this gradient tutorial. So please stay tuned to this channel, because I'll be dropping more tutorial more often. Okay, now the next the next one I'll be teaching you is how to drawing the gradient tool with if you want the gradient tool to be on a straight line, you just spread the Alt, the shift rather, and click on it and draw. You see now that it's going on a very straight line. You see now. But let's go back to the default mode. See, press the shift, then you draw the line. You see the line is on a straight line, unlike the one I've been doing before that was not straight. You see now it's very straight. See, straight. Let's press Ctrl Z again, and now I'm not pressing the shift button, I'm just drawing it. You see it's not straight. See, it's moving on the back, but if I should press the shift, it will just, have pressed the shift now. You see that it's straight. Okay, all right, that's that about that. And again, I'm going to give you one other thing you need to know about gradients again before we end it for this episode. There is one thing also about these gradients I will want you to know. When we are using gradients, when you're using this gradient, the shorter the gradient, the harder it is, like the stronger the effect of the gradient will be. You see it's more stronger because it's short. I made it short. See it looks more stronger. The white version looks more stronger. Let me change it to this one. For example, I change it to this. You see it looks more, the black will look more stronger. Can you see that this black is more stronger? But if I should make the line more elongated, you'll see that the effect will be not much harsh and strong. Can you see the difference? The longer the line, the fade it will be, and the shorter it is, the stronger and strong the gradients will be applied on the design. So alright, I think we are done for today. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more videos more often. So this is all for this first episode. I will be dropping more episodes, so stay tuned, and God bless you. Thank you.